I slip out of the bed to avoid waking you. There's no need to involve you in any of this. My dark of the soul, the same time as it always is. The stuff in silence watches me to see what I will do. Self-doubt destroys the perfectly constructed armor of the day. All the usual boundaries are blurred and gone away. Self-doubt, 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 self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys. Picking up that crystal of existence as it stirs, striding through with purpose and I will not be deterred. Ignore the corner of my mind where something rambles on. Too many things are possible, but something must get done. It might not be the truth, but that way leads to me gazing out at all within capacity. Better to prepare myself into the dawning day, or where the master and the mask of the dead has gone away. Self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys. Face the window, be behind the curtain and outside. The morning dawn is spreading its friendly light. Anything is possible. Something will get done. I will soon be choosing what is real and what is not. But self-doubt, 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 self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys, self-doubt destroys. Shots of past the already known. By the normal lines that they look just right. Forging out a way ahead, one of the minutes. As long as I get something from day. Face the window, be behind the curtain outside. The morning dawn is spreading its friendly light. It's possible, something will get done. I will soon be choosing what is real and what is not. But self-doubt, 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 self-doubt.